Thank you for checking in with Maine's Total Weather. I'm meteorologist Sarah Long. We go from a winter storm overnight to now high winds heading into Monday. A wind warning and advisory for Monday. We'll take a closer look, and temperatures will really start to tumble Monday night and into Tuesday morning. We will start off Monday morning with some slick spots as some temperatures are going to dip to near that freezing mark. So do watch out for icy spots early Monday. They will certainly be more widespread as we head into Tuesday. So here's the storm system from today. It is pulling off to the north and east. We have a secondary area of low pressure that has formed, and as that heads over the Canadian Maritimes, it's going to continue to strengthen and cause very windy conditions here as we head through the day Monday. I think our windiest hours are going to be sunrise to sunset, but we will continue to see and feel gusty winds right through the overnight and into Tuesday as well. So high winds for Monday. We actually have some mountain snow showers to talk about as well. So gusty winds as we head into the start of the week, 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Monday. We have a high wind warning for York County and also back into New Hampshire, where the warning starts at midnight. Elsewhere, we are under a wind advisory. That's where gusts are going to be up to 55 miles per hour, and that's lasting through much of the day on Monday. So heading towards 7 o'clock in the morning, we're seeing some gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour. I do expect those gusts between 50 and 60 as we head into the afternoon. Rockland, I think that's where we also see some gusts closer to 60 at times. The winds are still strong, not quite as strong though on Tuesday. And look at how chilly we are Wednesday. All of those strong west to northwest winds ushering in our next round of chilly air.